My name is Muhammad Ahmed.
My name is Affan.
My name is Muhammad Taki.
Food waste has become a serious problem around the world. Every day, a large amount of food is wasted. The United Nations is working to solve this problem through SDGs.
We have made a solution for this problem. We made a smart refrigerated food mounting system using Arduino Uno, MT135 sensor, RTC module, LCD and keypad. The RTC module automatically calculates exact expiry dates. Items are logged into internal EEPROM memory using a 4x4 keypad. MPO135 gas sensor detects early food spoilage odors, displaying live status on the IC LCD screen.
We face many challenges. The hardest part was to fix RTC module. To fix it, we set the pin in Arduino Uno 3.3 volt.
Thanks for watching our video.